How to create an additional web disk account in cPanel. Web disk allows you to use an encrypted connection, and it is the most secure way of file transfer in cPanel. Log into your cPanel account and you will be on this page. Go to the Files section and click the web disk. Here, the main web disk account uses the cPanel's user and login ID, and you may need to give the account's login details to other users of the domain. You can create an additional web disk account and give it to other users. Enter a username for web disk account and select a domain. You can enter a password manually or use the password generator. To generate a password, click Password Generator. Now copy and save the generated password in a secure place. After saving the password, click the checkbox and then click the Use Password button. It automatically fills the generated password that is very strong. You can enter a directory for the web disk account to use. You can limit the access of the user to a particular folder or file by entering a directory here. The system already suggests one directory for you. You can permit the user to review, download, and alter the contents of the directory by selecting the Read/Write option box. By selecting the Read-Only option box, you can prevent the user from making changes in the existing content of the directory. It is important if you allow the user to only read and download the data. He won't be able to alter it. If you are using the Windows operating system, you will need to mark Enable Digest Authentication. However, if the server has an authentic SSL certificate and can make an SSL connection, then it can be left disabled. Now click the Create button. That's it. We have successfully created the web disk account.
Thank you for watching.